Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about exercise 5.2, so that is till the 12th problem. Now we'll continue with the 13th one. So here, what they gave, so they gave that how many 3 digits number are divisible by 7. How many 3 digits number are divisible by 7. So now they're telling a 3 digits number. 3 digits number in the sense the number which will start from 100, okay, and which is divisible by 7, so it will end till 999. So 999 is also a 3 digit number. So in between this, how many numbers were there such that it should be divisible by 7? Okay, let's check the first, second, third numbers like that. So now 100 is not divisible by 7. Okay, so then what is on 102, 101? 101 is also not divisible. 102 is also not divisible. 103 is also not divisible. So 104 is also not divisible. So what about 105? So 105 is divisible by 7 completely. See here, divide once and check it. 105. So 7 ones are 7. So the 3 remainder and 5. 7 5 is 35. So 15 side is divisible. So therefore 105 is the 3 digits least number which is divisible by 7. Okay. So we can then from this we can find another number 2. How? So that is 16. How much you'll get? 105 plus 7. So you'll get 112. 112 is the next number. Like this we keep on finding the numbers, but they're asking here how many 3 digits number. So with now we'll check with the 999. 999 is not divisible by 7. So then what about the other number 998? If we not able to take 1000, why? Because 1000 is a 4 digit number. They asked us only 3 digits number, so therefore 1000 is not possible. So therefore 999 is also not divisible. Okay, then which number is possible? So we'll check with the 995. So 995 is it divisible? So 995. So 995 is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. So here 2 remainder, 9s are. So then 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are. So is it divisible? So 27. So 7 fours are, I think 7 fours are 28. So 1 remainder, 15. So 15 is not divisible. So therefore 995 also not divisible. So then check with another number less than that, 994. Check with 994 what you're going to get. So 7 ones are 7. Just a minute. 7 ones are 7. Then minus 2, 929. So then 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 7 fours are 28. So here 1 remainder, which is 4. So 7 twos are 14. So therefore 994 is divisible. So therefore we can write here the least number, so the maximum number which is divisible by maximum 3 digit number which is divisible by 7 is 994. So therefore this is the our AN. So therefore the numbers are, so the numbers which is divisible. So therefore here the number which is divisible by 7 are 105, 112, so up to 994. So here we know what is A. So okay, what we need to find here, how many 3 digits numbers. Therefore we need to find here what is N. Okay, so then we know what is A. So A is nothing but, what is A? A is nothing but 105. And also we know what is D. Why? Because common difference is 7. And also we know what is AN. AN is nothing but 994. Is it clear? So now you can use the formula and you can simplify this. So we know that AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, what is AN? 994, which is equals to A. A is 105 plus N minus 1. We don't know what is N value. So N minus 1 into D. D is 7. So therefore 994 minus 105 which is equals to 7n minus 7. Okay, now simplify it further. So 994 minus 105 plus 7 is equals to 7n. Now simplify this. So we'll get here 896 which is equals to 7n. Now simplify it further. So we'll get 896 divided by 7 is equal to n. So therefore n is equals to 128. If we divide that 896 divided by 7, so we'll get here 128. So 128 is the answer. The number of so therefore from the three digit number which is divisible by 7 is 128. I hope all of you understood. Okay, shall we move for the next problem? Yes. Here also one more problem which is same as the last problem. So how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? So we need to find the multiples of 4 which is between 10 and 4. So 10 is not a multiple of 4. Why? Because if you divide 10 by 4, you'll get a decimal number. We should not get decimal number, should get a whole number. So multiples of 4 are, so you can write here 12. Okay, 12. So then add 4 to the 12, so you'll get 16. Add 4 to the 16, you will get 20. So like this, it's keep on going. So now, but they asked here between 10 and 250. So is 250 is divisible by 4? Is 250 is a multiple of 4? No. We'll check it. Yes. So we'll check which ones. So 250 divide. So 4 how many times? 4 6 are 24. So 10 remainder. So 10 is not completely divisible. So you can take here 2s are 8. So 20. You can take point. You can get 0. So that's 20. So you're getting here 62.5. So therefore 250 is not completely divisible. So it's not a factor. So then go for 248. We'll check it with 248 ones. So 248. So 4, 2 7, 2 6 are 24. So 8 remainder. So here 0, 8 remainder, 2s are 8. So 3 0. So therefore 248 is a factor. Okay. So then what we can do is, so here a is equals to 12. Okay. D is equals to 4. You know how to get D. That is a2 minus a1. So a2 minus a1, this is a1, this is a2, this is a3, and this is an. So therefore 16 minus 12, 4, 20 minus 16, 4. So therefore we know what is the common differences. So therefore our common difference is 4. And also here an is equals to 248 plus 248. And what we need to find? We need to find what is n is. What is n? So therefore you can go for the formula. an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 248, which is equals to a is 12 plus n minus 1 into d. D value is 4. So therefore 248 plus 12 is equals to 4n minus 4. Okay, now what is 248 plus 12? 248 plus 12, which is equals to 260, and bring this 4 to this side, plus 4, which is equals to 4n. So 264, which is equals to 4n. So therefore n is equals to 264 divided by 4. So 264 divided by 4, how much you are going to get? 264 divided by 4, how much you are going to get? So n is equals to 66. If you divide this, you'll get the number 66. Therefore totally 66 numbers are there, which is the multiples of 4 lies between 1 and sorry 10 and 250. So therefore there are 66 multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood. Okay, shall we move for next problem? Okay. Okay, dear students, here they asked that for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs, that is 63, 65, 67 is one AP and 3, 10 and 17 are one AP, is for what value of n, the nth for what value of n the nth term of a two APs are equal. Are you understood the question? For I think you not understood. Yes, listen this carefully. So for what value of n, so in the sense the asking here for which value an of this first AP is equal to an of this second AP. We'll check it. It's very simple. So you can take this one as a first AP. Let the first term of the first AP be a. We can take this as a capital A. So you can write like this: let the first term of the first AP, which is the first AP here, I took this as a first AP. Which one? 63. This is first AP. Okay, this is first AP and this is second AP. Okay, so I took this as a first AP. So let the first AP, the first term of the first AP be A. I taken this as a capital A, which is equals to 63. Why? Because we know first term is 63. And common difference I taken as capital D. So therefore D is equals to 63 minus 65 minus 63. So if you subtract that, which will get 2. Okay, so now let the first term of the second AP be small a. We'll take like that. So before going further, we'll find an for this. So therefore we know that an which is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d, capital D you can write here. So now here an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to a value we know 63 plus n minus 1 into d. D value we know that is 2. And simplify it further. So you will get, so therefore here an which is equals to 63 minus 2. So you will get here 61 plus 2n. 61 plus 2n. Call this as equation 1. Let it be. And next, so now here let the first term of a second AP be small a, which is equals to 3. And CD, common difference, is equals to 7. So now we'll find the an. That is small an. So an which is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the an values and all those things. So a value is 3 plus n minus 1. What is n minus 1? So n minus 1, right, as it is, and d value is 7. Simplify this. An which is equals to 3 plus 7n minus 7. Okay, now simplify it further. That this is equals to an which is equals to 7 minus, what is this, 7 minus 3. So we'll get here minus 4 plus 7n. Call this as equation 2. Now according to the question, what is according to the question? For what value of n the n term of two APs are equal? So they are asking here for what values of n. So that is an is equals to an. This is the asking. So we know what is an, and also we know what is small an. So you should equate this. So according to the question, a 61 plus 2n is equal to minus 4 plus 67. Why? Because we know that an, capital An, is 61 plus 2n and small an is minus 4 plus 7n. Okay, now simplify this. If you simplify this, you'll get 61 plus 4, group the like terms, which is equals to 7n minus 2n. 61 plus 4 is 65. 65 which is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5n. So therefore n is equals to 65 divided by 5. 65 divided by 5 is n is equals to 13. N is equals to 13. So for the value of n, for the 13th value of this APs, 13th value of this APs, first AP and second AP, both are same. Is it true? Let's verify that. Yes, actually in the examination point of view that is not important. Only for your clarification I'll verify this quickly. So here we know that A1 is equals to 63, D is equals to 2 and N is equal to 13 in the first AP, that is 63, 65 and this is the first AP. Okay, and here A value is 63 plus 12 into D value is 2. So simplify this. So A13 which is equals to 63 plus 12 2s are 24. Simplify here. A13 which is equals to, and here also A13 is equal to 87. And now what I did for, and A1 here I did for second AP, that is 3. This is second AP, 3, 10 and 17. This is second AP. For this I did. So this for this also I got A13 is equal to 87. So therefore, and no need to do this in classwork, only for your clarification verification I did this. I hope all of you understood this problem. Okay, here the next problem. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Okay, this is very simple. Just need to convert this to the mathematical form. So they given here, determine the AP whose third term is nothing but A3 which is equals to, how much they give, 16. Okay, so then, and seventh term in the sense A7 which is equals to, seventh term exceeds the fifth term, exceeds in the sense add fifth term by 12. Therefore A7 which is equals to A5 plus 12, exceeds in the sense adding. Okay, so now we convert this to the mathematical form. So that for A3 is there, so A3 in the sense you can write this as A plus 2D. You know this, A plus 2D is equals to 16. Call this as equation 1. And here A7 is there, you can write here A plus what, 6D which is equals to A5, A plus 4D plus 12. Okay, so now what we can do, we can simplify this. So how to simplify? Here A and A get cancelled, so then 6D minus 4D is equals to 12. Okay, transposing this 4D to the left hand side become minus 4D. So then 6D minus 4D, what is 6 minus 4? It is nothing but 2. So 2D which is equals to 12. So therefore D is equals to 12 by 2. D is equals to 12 by 2. Therefore D is equals to 12 divided by 2 is nothing but 6. So therefore we got the D value. Okay, now substitute this D value either in this equation or this equation. So you'll get the A value. So now I'll go for the first equation only. So here A plus 2D, 2 into D value. What is our D value? 6, which is equals to 16. Okay, then A plus 6 2s are 12, which is equals to 16. So then A is equals to 16 minus 12. So here A is equals to 16 minus 12 is 4. So therefore we got the A value also. We got A value and also we got D value. A and D we got. Okay, so now what we should do? We can simplify this. What we need to find? We need to find the AP, determine the AP. So therefore the general form of AP is, So what is the general form of AP? So form general form of AP is nothing but A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D, etc. Is it? So now we know what is A. So A value is nothing but 4 and A plus D. So 4 plus 6. Okay. So then if next A plus 2D, that is 4 plus 2 into 6. So then A plus 3D, A plus 3 into D value is 6. Like this we can simplify. Okay. So then 4 comma 10 comma here for 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 16. So then 6 3s are no, I forgot to write 4. Okay, 6 3s are 6 18. Here 19 20 21 22 plus 4 is 22. So therefore the APs are therefore the APs are therefore the APs are APR 4 10 16 22 dot dot dot. You can find many. I hope all of you understood. Yes. Okay, so all of you copy these notes what we did here in the classwork. After copying the notes, do this 3 problems in the homework book. 3 problems in the homework book. Find the 10th term of an AP 2 7th 12 and which term of the AP 21 18 15 is minus 81, and also is any term 0 they given, any term 0 they asked it. So therefore what we can do, you can take that an is equal to 0 and you can verify. So which term they asked it here. So first you find the n. In this case by using this you find n and this is an. So we can find n here. Also after finding n, which term, so go for an and see verify. So if you got a in that, if you got whole number, so it has a the term, otherwise it doesn't have any term. So next last one, determine AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. So you can easily find this. Okay, I hope all of you do this. Okay, have a nice day, take care, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.